Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Asab Training. My name is Asab and I'm going to show you a super simple yet powerful training strategy using the accelerator indicator. First, I'll explain everything and then I'll demonstrate it and discuss all the details step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Your support motivates me to create more useful content. This tool will help you understand the strength of the current trend and make informed decisions in the market. The Accelerator Oscillator is an indicator developed by the well-known trader Bill Williams. It helps us access the strength of the current market trend. The indicator is based on the difference between two simple moving averages, 5 period and 34 period. The result of this calculation is represented as a histogram that moves above and below the zero line. I won't waste any time, the indicator is already giving us an entry signal, so I am entering a trade for $100. Let's wait for the profit. The profit is secured. It is good. For a better understanding of the chart, I always draw support and resistance levels. Right now I'll do the same. Support and resistance lines help us navigate the chart. Based on my personal experience, I can say that my primary trading strategy, especially in futures, was trading from these levels. I often understand when there will be consolidation, whether the candle will break the level or if it's a false breakout. Experience plays a significant role in this, so try to trade as often as possible and practice on a demo account. On the chart you can also see the zero line. When the histogram crosses this line from below to above, it can signal the start of an uptrend. If the crossover happens from above to below, it may indicate the beginning of a downtrend. Be cautious, especially if you are a beginner. Don't rush into a trade with excitement. Pay attention to the histogram above and below the zero line. If the histogram is above the zero line and rising, it can be a signal of increasing strength in an uptrend. If the histogram is below zero line and decreasing, it may suggest an increase in the strength of a downtrend. This indicator is visually simple and easy to understand. That's why it's pleasant and straightforward to work with. Another essential point is divergence, which occurs when the price and the indicator move in different directions. For example, when the price is rising but the accelerator oscillator shows a decrease, it can be a signal of a possible market reversal. Divergence is a process that experienced traders should already be familiar with, and they should have a basic understanding of market movements. Divergence is not easy to grasp, but if you understand it, you can often trade with this indicator in a positive manner. Nevertheless, we see a signal from the indicator, so we enter a $100 trade upward and wait for the profit. Profit is obtained. It feels great. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely for free. You just need to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade daily and you can follow my steps step by step to achieve a fantastic profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share all the valuable information with you. Spots are limited, so come and join us. Additionally, the first time you make a deposit on the best trading platform where I trade pocket option, you'll receive a plus 50% bonus. You cannot afford to miss it. The Accelerator Oscillator is a powerful tool for technical analysis in the market. However, like any indicator, practice and training on a demo account are crucial before using it is real training. Try to practice as often as possible, preferably dedicating 30 minutes every day to it, and then you won't have to wait long for results. And if you trade with my signals, you can earn more in a few weeks than working in an office or anywhere else for several months. So don't waste your time. Begin training with my team today. As you can see, the candle is forming a bearish trend and the chart is moving downward. Such straightforward movements are usually favorable for us. Also remember that entering a trade can be time sensitive when using my signal. Each second counts, so make sure to disable notification from the main channel and private messages. By the time I return to my levels and monitor the indicator signals, it's always crucial to use all available resources to determine the entry point. Currently I use indicator levels and my invaluable experience. The combination of these factors helps me find the entry point that yields maximum results. Don't hesitate to start trading on a real account after the demo account. It adds responsibility to your action. I usually deposit $50, maybe $100 to feel some financial movement. From my personal experience, I can tell you that I traded on a demo account for just 1 week. 1 week was enough for me to understand the fundamental principles of working on a broker's platform. Afterward, I immediately transitioned to real trading with a deposit of around $100. Within a year, my deposit increased by $20,000. It is crazy. It is simply incredible, my friends. So don't delay and start getting involved now. I'd also like to mention that this indicator works very effectively when combined with other indicators. The conventions of the indicator's histogram allows you to include one or two scales of any other indicator in the analysis. That's always a significant advantage. I personally like to use it with the Bull's Power indicator and the Bear's Power indicator. Moreover, I use this indicator more often than any other training due to its simplicity and versatility. Don't forget to manage risk, diversify your investments, and keep an eye on your budget. And always remember that the market is constantly changing, so be cautious and make informed decisions. In the meantime, we observe and be restrained in our chart. It is an excellent situation to enter a trade. The indicator is showing us green candles as the chart rises. I enter an upward trade for $100 and we await the profit. The trading strategy is excellent. The trading strategy has completely justified itself. Friends, if you have watched this video to the end, you are already training with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel, as it will help promote this video to the top. And of course, I'm waiting for you in my private channel to rake in the money. My main mission is to help everyone earn from trading, even with minimal experience, but most importantly, the desire. Profit to all, dear friends, and see you next time.